Adventurers, welcome to the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome, a look into the future of opulent travel. This is more than just an RV. It's a mobile masterpiece that combines the luxury of a five-star hotel with the mighty strength and dependability of the iconic Actros truck chassis. The spacious interior is hinted at by its aerodynamic appearance, which is distinguished by its clean lines and panoramic windows. A robust Mercedes-Benz diesel engine, possibly an upgraded 12.8-liter turbocharged unit, under the hood provides dependable strength and seamless performance for any trip, and the sophisticated air suspension system makes for an exceptionally smooth ride. Additionally, as soon as you enter, the state-of-the-art digital dashboard with its user-friendly controls and sophisticated driver assistance technologies guarantees that every mile is as connected and pleasant as the final destination. Get ready to rethink what spaciousness means to you. With its multi-level layouts and cleverly crafted slide-outs that turn the living space into a veritable apartment on wheels, the inside of the 2026 Actros Motorhome is a design masterpiece. While natural wood finishes and silver accents provide an air of refined elegance, luxurious leather seating, possibly with massage and reclining functions, invites you to unwind. This area, which demonstrates luxury on the open road, is made for the utmost comfort and independence. This motorhome does not skimp on entertainment or productivity. The lounge is dominated by a huge smart TV that can be 43 inches or larger and has built-in streaming capabilities and a top-of-the-line sound system for moviegoing. In addition, a dedicated workstation guarantees constant connectivity and offers the ideal location for remote work. No matter where your travel takes you, a separate game area with gaming consoles like a PlayStation 5 and another screen promises countless hours of amusement for those who appreciate relaxing with some digital fun. When it's time to relax, head to your personal haven, a master bedroom that has been thoughtfully created to provide unmatched comfort. A king-sized bed provides an opulent retreat here, encircled by a spacious wardrobe with plenty of storage. A calm atmosphere produced by thoughtful lighting guarantees a restful night's sleep, preparing you for new experiences. Self-care while traveling is enhanced by the spa-inspired bathroom. It rivals the most opulent hotel amenities with its heated towel rail, large rainforest shower, and natural stone walls. All the conveniences you want are available in a separate vanity area, guaranteeing a revitalizing experience wherever you are. Lastly, the gourmet kitchen is a chef's paradise as it lets you create delectable meals even while you're on the run. It features everything you need to prepare meals that will be remembered, including an induction stove, oven, dishwasher, huge refrigerator with a dedicated freshness zone, and even a coffee maker and wine fridge. Every meal is a memorable occasion thanks to the dining area's big table and stylish chairs, which provide the ideal setting for enjoying your creations.